Hey there, Bobcats. This is your tutorial video for your Path to Asynchronous assignment number 9. Today we're going to be continuing on with our pentatonic scales by writing a song using the pentatonic scale, triple range, and drum beat matching. Let's go take a look at the must-do. And that's exactly what you must do, is use the pentatonic scale, use triple range, and do some drum beat matching. Let's go take a look at what that looks like inside of Chrome Music Lab. So as you saw, there's a few things we're going to have to do in our settings. We're going to have to make sure that we have that triple range. Remember, Bobcats, triple range is down here. The last option, range going from 2 up to 3. Nice. I've also got to make sure that I have my pentatonic scale. Let's go take a look at scale and make sure that it is set up to pentatonic. It starts out as major, but click on that and you'll see that crazy word, pentatonic, and those are the settings that we are going to need today. So check it out. Let's go ahead and start off from the ground up. We're going to make a simple drum beat. You can copy my drum beat or come up with your very own. After we get our drum beat going, we're going to go ahead and match those colors. I always like to match my circles with the red, and I always like to match my triangles with orange, but those are just my Mr. Cross custom color combinations. Maybe you want to do some other matching. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and just edit my tempo while I'm still here and get my instrument set over to what I really like. And let's go take a look at what it sounds like so far. Nice. I like it. So at this point, I can go ahead and write out the rest of my song. Always a good idea to maybe have a drone or two in your song. Let me see, what color am I feeling today? Maybe I'm feeling that yellow color for my drone. You'll notice with the pentatonic scale, we have less notes to work with, but they kind of have like a different feeling. So let's go ahead and just explore what shapes and lines do for us when we use the pentatonic scale. I'm going to go ahead and use something like that as my shape. And I'm just going to go ahead and implement this shape around. Yeah, take a listen to it. Nice. I'm really digging it. At this point, I'd like you to go ahead and pause and do your must do. Let's move over to the should do. You should double the length of your song, but Bobcats, this is optional. You should do it, but it's optional. Remember, doubling the length is again down in the settings, going to length, changing that 4 up to an 8, and we get an entirely different page. I recommend if you take this approach that you go ahead and write yourself a new drum beat. Really makes your song sound fresh when you have like really different parts in there. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same idea, matching my colors, but this time I'm going to match different colors. Green will be my circle, yellow will be my triangle, and I'm going to go ahead and put a different color drone. What did I use over here? I used a yellow drone. This time I'm going to use a green drone. And I'm going to use a completely different shape this time. I'll use that shape. Well, kind of different there. I'll take that one out. Maybe I'll try to get one down low here. I'll have like half my shape here. Let's take a listen to what my song sounds like. you have it, folks. That is my should do. Let's move on to the aspire to do. Today's aspire to do is very similar to our should do, where you'll be tripling the range of your song if you'd like to take on this challenge. Very similar, folks. You go down to settings, change your 8 up to a 12, and you have yourselves an entirely different page. I recommend doing something very different on that page as well. When you're done with your assignment, make sure to submit it over on Schoology in our Asynchronous number 9 submission portal.